Hi everyone, welcome back to Kengerian Kitchen. So today I am going to be showing you guys how to make Kengerian jollof. I call it Kengerian jollof because I am from Kenya. We don't eat jollof in Kenya, but they do eat jollof in Nigeria. And because I am Kengerian, half Kenyan, half Nigerian, I decided to make my own version of jollof rice. So this is how I made it. Stay tuned and make sure to subscribe, follow, share. Thank you. I'm gonna get started by cutting up my ingredients. I have 3 tomatoes, 1 bell pepper, 1.5 Scotch bonnet. I have an onion I cut in half, and this was like a half of a tomato that I had. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut up. I cut up the onion except the other half. We're gonna save that for later. But all of this is going straight into my blender. Pouring this into a pot for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. You want all the water to evaporate. What it should look like after it finishes boiling. Just the tomato, like the blended part remaining, no water. Here I have 3 cups of rice, and I'm just gonna go ahead and wash this. You want to make sure you wash and rinse until the water is clear. You want to get the water to be as close to clear as possible. So I'm just going to keep doing this until the water is clear. This is how clear the water should be when you're done. Then in another pot, I'm going to put some extra virgin olive oil, but you could use any oil of your choice. Not too much, that's enough. I'm gonna add 3 spoons of this. This is tomato paste. You could use any paste of your choice. I'm gonna add the onion. My tomatoes. Add some thyme. This, which is like Maggie cube. Some water. You want to add enough water so that it covers the top of the rice. I'm just gonna mix this. Now is a good time to taste for salt. And I just tasted it, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Then we're gonna cover this for about 20 minutes and check on it.